The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, power passenger seat, stability control, anti-lock braking system, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless entry, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, floor mats, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, climate control, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, power door locks, fog lamps. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.